Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, we have to find the angular acceleration of the tip of a windshield wiper. And we're given the number of degrees that it moves through, the time that it takes, and the radius that it traverses. So we're going to start out with our equations for velocity and our equations for the period. Now, the velocity is what we want to find in order to later solve for the angular acceleration, but we need the period to do this. So the period for any circular motion is given by 2 pi over omega, and since omega is equal to v over r, this can be rewritten in terms of v, which is what we want. But we have to be careful here because t describes the amount of time that it takes for an object to complete one full revolution in a circular path. However, we are only going across 90 degrees, as you can see right here. And so, since 90 degrees represents 1/4 of a circle, this whole quantity is going to be multiplied by 1/4. Now, from there, we can rewrite our equation for v, and that is going to give us 2 pi r over t times 1/4. However, we already know the numerical value of t. We're given in the problem that it takes 0.4 seconds for the windshield wiper to traverse those 90 degrees. So all that's left for us to do now is write down our equation for angular acceleration and plug in. Now, angular acceleration is equal to v squared over r. And so now we can go ahead and we can plug in our equation that we got from t for v, which is going to give us that alpha is equal to pi squared r over 4t squared after we simplify. Now we plug in our values. We know that r is equal to 0.45 meters. That's just given in the problem statement. And t is equal to 0.4 seconds, also in the problem statement. When we plug this into our calculator, we get a value of 6.939 meters per second squared. And those units check out, since those are the units for angular acceleration. And we can round that to 6.9 meters per second squared, our final result.